At the age of 14, Kate, not her real name, was pressurised into a sexual relationship by a man in his 20s. Part of a gang which preyed on young girls, he was imprisoned for rape and sexual activity with a child. Here, Kate's comments have been revoiced.
I hate him. That's my childhood. That's the time you're supposed to enjoy yourself. He's technically ruined my life. I mean, 6 years on, I still can't get past it. I don't think about it every day now, but I do think about it a lot.
And yet, Kate was denied government compensation, usually awarded to victims of crime. She received this letter from the Criminal Injuries Compensation Authority, telling her there would be no payout. It said, "You appeared to consent to sexual activity with the suspect. It would not be deemed a crime of violence in accordance with our compensation scheme."
And that wording, consented, I mean, how does that make you feel?
It just made me feel like I've taken 8 steps forward going to court and then another 10 steps backwards, like a kick in the teeth. I'm confused, really confused. How can you go through court to get told that essentially it was my fault in a way? It just made me feel stupid.
The Criminal Injuries Compensation Authority is the government agency responsible for awarding payouts to victims of serious crime. But it's emerged nearly 700 child victims of sexual abuse have been denied payment since 2012. The law states under 16s can't consent to sexual activity, but Seeker uses slightly different criteria when awarding compensation.
We would ask the Justice Secretary to urgently seek to do that, to ensure that anyone who finds themselves in this position is able to apply for compensation and isn't subject to this ridiculous ruling.
The Ministry of Justice told 5 News it is now examining the compensation concerns raised by the victims of sexual abuse. Julian Drucker, 5 News.